We get lost only in these specificities. Non-specific presence is the truth. Therefore, abrahmatvam tamarthasya vyavartet. The wrong notion that I am a jiva will be removed. Tadarthasya cha paroksham yaddevam kim tata shruno purnanandaika rupena pratyek bodha avatishtate. Now, if we take the meaning of the word tat in the Tattvamasi Mahavakya, paroksham, the indirectness about this knowledge, if it remains, so let it remain, how does it matter? It is something like this, Suppose the pot comes to know that, not the pot space comes to know that I am essentially the total space. So as long as the pot is there, it will be referred by the world as a pot space. But is it necessary for the pot space to be the total space to break the pot? Not necessary. Let it remain. And what will be that experience of the pot space? The pot is in me, I am not in the pot. Maharaj, it is not difficult. Only dive deep in your own experience. See? External air, internal air. Can these two airs remain separate? Do kumbhak for half an hour. All problems will disappear. So, air is outside, air is inside. Therefore, the air is in the body or body is in the air. Think. Now go one step further. This object is known when it is included in my mind. And the knowledge of the object takes inside me, not outside. So it is the same mind. Objectively, it is called vritti vyapti. It will come subsequently. And subjectively, it is phala vyapti. So this is an object included in the mind. And I know this is an object by the knower me. Therefore, the same mind is both outside and inside. Therefore, the body is in the mind is not in the body. So, when the pot breaks, will the pot space go out of the pot? When the body breaks, dies, will the mind go out of the body? Then what happens? Nothing happens. All the notion of birth, death, all blubs will disappear. Therefore, na kuch pana, na kuch khona. Life is just a time pass. This is the burden of Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Therefore, tadarthasya paroksham yaddevihi akim tata shruno. But the Tad Ishvara Brahman remains separate. Let it be. Don't worry about it. You come back to yourself.